All right, everybody, it's a Friday edition of Tech Support with Tony. All right, we're going to go at it again. I'm Tony. So in today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a brand new thermostat. This just dropped. It's our latest Wi-Fi thermostat, model number 8205. I'm going to show it to you. Right here, model 8205. This is a Wi-Fi thermostat. It's our latest offering. It's the newest product, just recently came out. This product uses the BlueLink Smart Connect app, as all of our previous Wi-Fi thermostats have used. Some of you are familiar with our model 7205. This is the next generation, 8205. A lot of the same features that you found on that old thermostat will be on this one. Layout is a little bit different. Functionally, very similar. Let's see what's in the box. So obviously here's the box. Inside we got the thermostat. You're going to have two different manuals. A user manual. This describes functions that the end user, the homeowner, typically is going to be interested in using. Setting your clock time, filter reminders, things of that nature. There's also an installer manual. Installer manual in the box. The installer manual is typically used by the technician that will be setting the thermostat up. In that manual, you'll find a lot of information about how to wire the thermostat, how to set it for your specific system type, whether you got a gas furnace, maybe it's a heat pump, maybe you got electric backup heat. All those settings can be taken care of and described in that installer manual. All right, let's look at the product itself. So here it is. The display screen is bigger than the 7205, so that's kind of nice. It has a new button that we didn't have before, a menu button. This menu button gains you access to either the user menu or the installer menu. You can access two different menus from that one button. The user menu is accessed by just pressing the menu button once and releasing. That'll get you into that menu. At the bottom, you'll have navigation keys, next, and then you'll see a back option there if you ever want to back up. Return on the end will exit you from the menu. All the items in that menu are described in that user manual. If you want to access the installer menu, it's the same button, but this time press and hold it for about 5 seconds until you see the screen change. This gets you into the installer menu where you can configure the thermostat if you want to use a program schedule, 7-day schedule. Maybe you don't want to use a program schedule. You can turn that feature off. You can also set up your temperature scale, Fahrenheit, Celsius, whatever suits you. You can choose that. Your system type. Am I connecting to a gas furnace? Am I connecting to a heat pump? You can set that up. What if I got multiple stage heat pump? Same thing. It's going to be in this menu. You can navigate through that menu and set all your different parameters for how this thermostat should behave. Each one of those things are described in that installer manual. If you page through that, you'll see that there is a chart that describes each and every option. As you do that, depending on the system type that you choose, that menu will change. If you choose a conventional gas furnace, then you're not going to get options that are related to heat pump later on in the menu, and vice versa. If you choose a heat pump, then you won't get options that are related to gas furnace. So the menu is structured in such a way that everything that comes after it is predicated on what was set before. But again, this is all described in the manual. Brand new, just came out. It's available at all your distributors. Ask for it if you want to use it. You can find links for the product and our website in the video description. You can take a look at all of these manuals online. Take a look at it before you buy it. Those will be there for your reference. There will also be a phone number in the video description that takes you to the tech support, and I'll answer your call. I'll help you out. Any questions you got it, getting installed, how to connect it to the internet, I'll do all that for you. Really nice product. Check it out. Thanks for watching.